Welcome to Illuminated Minds TV, where we explore strategies to enhance cognitive abilities and achieve intellectual excellence. In today's video, we will examine effective techniques for mastering memory retention in learning. Whether you are a student preparing for examinations, or a professional acquiring new skills, or an individual committed to lifelong learning, these evidence-based methods can significantly improve your ability to retain and recall information. We will discuss key techniques supported by psychological principles and provide practical applications. Let us proceed. The first technique is spaced repetition, a method grounded in cognitive psychology that involves reviewing material at increasing intervals. Research, such as that from the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, demonstrates that information is forgotten rapidly and less reinforced strategically. To implement this, use tools like digital flashcard applications that schedule reviews based on your performance. For instance, if studying vocabulary, review new words daily initially, then extend to every few days as mastery improves. This approach optimizes long-term retention by leveraging the brain's natural consolidation processes. The second technique is active recall. Active recall encourages retrieving information from memory without external cues, contrasting with passive rereading. Studies from educational psychology indicate that this strengthens neural pathways, leading to superior retention. Practice by closing your notes and testing yourself on key concepts, or by creating self-quizzes. For example, when learning historical events, write down dates and details from memory before verifying accuracy. Incorporate this into daily study routines to transform short-term knowledge into enduring understanding. The third technique is mnemonics and chunking. Mnemonics provide creative associations to aid memory, such as acronyms or visual imagery. For complex lists, employ the method of loci, where you mentally place items in familiar locations. Complement this with chunking, which groups information into manageable units, reducing cognitive load. Psychological research supports these as effective for both verbal and numerical data. Apply mnemonics when memorizing formulas in mathematics, or chunking when learning sequences like musical scales, to enhance efficiency and recall precision. The fourth technique is association and visualization. Association links new information to existing knowledge, while visualization creates mental images to encode data. These techniques draw from dual coding theory, which posits that combining verbal and visual elements improves memory. For instance, associate a foreign language word with a similarly sounding term in your native language, and visualize the connection vividly. This is particularly useful in subjects like biology, where imagining cellular processes can solidify comprehension. The fifth technique is teaching others and lifestyle factors. Finally, teaching others reinforces your own understanding through explanation and clarification. Additionally, prioritize lifestyle factors. Adequate sleep consolidates memories, regular exercise boosts neurogenesis, and a balanced diet supports brain health. Integrate these holistically. For example, after a study session, discuss the material with a peer while maintaining consistent rest patterns. By combining these techniques, you can achieve mastery in memory retention. In summary, mastering memory retention requires deliberate practice with techniques such as spaced repetition, active recall, mnemonics, chunking, association, visualization, teaching, and supportive habits. Implement these consistently to elevate your learning outcomes. Thank you for joining us on Illuminated Minds TV. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. We look forward to illuminating more minds in our next video.